Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15–30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant doubleshot PBT keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. Incredible. This keyboard is what turned me into a full-time PC gamer. I had been trying for years to get into PC gaming, but I couldn't because my hands would cramp after a short while of using a standard membrane keyboard. After a lot of research and wasted money on many other keyboards, I found the Razer Huntsman Mini. The keyboard that I purchased before this one, Dierya DK61E, was almost what I was looking for. I liked how fast and easy the switches were to press, but the keyboard was just so darn noisy. The Razer Huntsman Mini is everything I could ever want in a gaming keyboard and then some. The keys are so smooth and responsive and yet super quiet. I can game for hours in comfort now. The Razer Synapse software works well and offers plenty of RGB color options. My accuracy and gameplay has greatly improved since using this keyboard. Seriously, don't make the same mistake I did. Buy a quailty gaming keyboard like this one. You won't regret it. I also recommend the Razer Deathadder V2 mouse to go with this keyboard. You'll thank me later. Lol.